We're standing in front of the DAD Academy Exchange Program. With us, Mr. Perwin MAAG, aus Deutschland. Yeah. Could you please give a short introduction about yourself and about your program, please?
Ja, sehr gerne. Mein Name ist Perwin MAAG. Ich bin Vertreter des DAAD in Turkmenistan. Ich bin seit 4 Jahren hier in Ashgabat und ich unterrichte auch Deutsch am Institut für internationale Beziehungen des Außenministeriums von Turkmenistan.
And did you notice that recent years, especially last 5 years, the trend for learning German is increasing among Turkmen youth? Did you notice that?
Yes, I heard that from my colleagues who teach at various language schools in Ashgabat, and from the German embassy also, that there is a great interest in learning German, especially among young people in Turkmenistan. I've noticed an increase in interest even at my university, where we teach German to all students. And there is actually an increased interest in learning German.
Usually DAD. I mean, we heard about this program, but what does it usually offer for Turkmen youth or student candidates or anyone, I mean, who wants to use the services of DAD?
Okay. DAD is actually a huge organization for funding studies and research in Germany, and it does also support German language teaching in foreign countries. That's why I'm here. I'm also financed by this program. It offers, in order to further and support academic exchange, it finances scholarships. So DAD offers quite a large number of scholarships, mostly for those who already have a first degree, a diploma, or a bachelor degree. For students who are studying at bachelor or diploma level, we have scholarships for German language courses or travels to German university, 10 to 12 days in Germany. Those are the scholarships we have for students, for young people. But for those who actually have a first degree, they can go on and study in a master's program, 2 years, which is completely financed by DAD. And for those who want to study or get their dissertation, their PhD in Germany, we have scholarships for them also. And for researchers and professors alike.
Are German universities also members of Erasmus exchange programs where you can just 1 year or a few months to exchange?
Yes, actually DAD is the national agency for Erasmus in Germany. You know, every country has a national agency. DAD is the agency for Germany. So the program works with German university. DAD is actually a union of the public universities in Germany. We have about 240 public universities in Germany, and the DAD is their union, actually, a union of these universities.
For getting the international exam
Yes.
in German language, like we want to get our proficiency,
Yes.
like international certifications. Does DAD also support these kind of programs?
These programs are actually not supported by DAD because DAD finances primarily academic exchange. That's why we have, or in this area, we actually have only the German language courses, summer courses for students who already know some German. For those who want to learn German, we actually have, Germany has a cultural institute called the Goethe Institute. Yes, and the Goethe Institute, which is responsible for Turkmenistan, is the Goethe Institute in Almaty, Kazakhstan, and we have.
So they're the one who takes the exams to check the German
Exactly.
proficiency?
Exactly. We have people, a committee of teachers coming to Turkmenistan every year to take a German language exam, which is an officially recognized German language exam.
Are you, I mean, staying for a long time in Turkmenistan?
Yes, actually, I'm permanently here because I'm also a teacher at the, as I said, at the Institute of International Relations. I've been here for 4 years. The only time when I'm not here is actually in the summer when we have the academic holidays. But I'm here all year round, and actually DAAD has a consultation hour about academic exchange and all questions concerning studies in Germany at the German embassy. Consultation hour every week from on Wednesdays from 2 to 4.
I believe you said International Relations Institute, right?
Yes, that's correct.
I believe in your institute you also have German library, which is open for public.
We have a German library which is open to the teachers and students of this institute. Yeah.
But the thing is, we've been attending some open lectures outside.
Okay.
They've been inviting us.
All right.
Come. I thought it's open for public, so it's not.
When they said that, I would think that this is open for those who are invited by somebody from our institute.
Okay. Basically, you like the weather here, the climate.
Yes. One of the major reasons why I stay so long is that I really like Turkmenistan. I like the climate. I like the weather. I like the
How
sunshine.
about the cuisine, the fruits?
Yes, I adore the fruits, the fresh fruits that I can buy here, and I like working here. It's been very pleasant working at this institute with my colleagues. It's a great atmosphere, and I really enjoy being here and working at this institute.
Mr. Gerwin, we thank you very much. We wish success in all of your projects. We hope the exchange, the bilateral relations between Germany and Turkmenistan will always prosper. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. And my wish is the same, that our mutual relationships develop, that academic exchange will increase even further, and yes, that we will have a good cooperation in the future, in a prosperous future. Thank you, and all the best to the readers of your website and all the Turkmen people.
Danke schön.
Danke Ihnen.
Danke Ihnen.